This is a Happy's how-to in 60 seconds. First thing we're gonna do is remove the plate. When you put a cord on, put the middle on a 3-prong cord, put the middle to the middle, red on red and white and black, pretty straightforward. Use a hand tool, not a power tool, for the simple fact that you don't want to strip these screws out, and you definitely don't want to lose them or drop them in the machine. They are a special thread, so you will need these screws, so you'll have to take the machine apart to fix it, get it taken care of. We're going to run through here, take a finger and just pull it up. There you go. Lay them out flat. That center one is right in the center. Some of them are a little tricky, they got to get started. Don't strip them, they're soft metal. That's a Happy's how-to in 60 seconds.